Right. So we have this group number three. So the project is called for Lego Robot, right? So they have four members here. Um, the report consists of this is a group report. So we have this introduction, and then in this introduction, it mentioned about what Lego robot means, and then put some pictures, give some historical narrations, and then talk about the tasks that they do that they did for these semesters. And then the report also divided into product design, and this in this step they place the design draft, the conceptual design. We have about two design there, and then they list down all the materials and the construction of materials. So we have here a complete geometry, and then they also prepared a three-dimensional representation using OpenSCAD and do some animations. They also put some methodology here, how to fabricate this part, right? And then they made also calculations using a vector analysis, and then they um, provide some how to calculate the center of mass, then how they do the motion analysis, right? Defining the coordinate system, which is very important, right? So, and then they mention about the type of motion that the component experience, right? So, and then they made some discussion what they observe, and then conclude about the projects. They also give a list of appendix here, and then they also provide the report. Each member of the group provide a report. They mention about the details, right? And then what are the tasks that they did. One of them provides some, I think this one conceptual design. The second one talking about the conceptual, sorry, the first one maybe about the product specification, some historical information. And then we have this, if you look at this report, they are um, give more details to what be written in the report, the group report. And then they have placed the conceptual design there, right? One this student, right? And then finally, the other member of the group are working on the specification on the mass centers. And then they provide the coding for components here. So it's a one-page computer coding, and then they combine all of them for animation. So it takes about how many pages? About 5 pages.
Good day, sir. My name is Shirin Chinmayan, and my ID number is HA19018. I was assigned as a team leader to ensure that everyone understands the project requirements so that they can carry out their tasks successfully. Here is my task. I have to bear in mind that due to the current pandemic situation, each of us is not in the same place, so I have created a WhatsApp group to get engagement from everyone. Google Meet is also used as a discussion platform where we can give each other immediate feedback and response. During the process, I have discussed the task distribution among the members. I am in charge of researching the information regarding the history of black robots. And to give a rough idea on the product design, I have simulated, designed, and animated the product using OpenSCAPE as a visual reference. The design is based on criteria such as lightweight, easily available materials, simple, suitable size, and user-friendly. We also consider the stability due to the center of gravity. I also analyze the type of motion produced, such as rotational motion and translational motion. That concludes my task. Thank you.
Hi sir, my name is Jin Chun Yong and my matric number is HA19014. This is all my task contribution during the dynamic project. Before we starting building the design, I do helping in research and finding the suitable design for the dynamics projects, and the finalized prototypes is done by and built by our group member Dennis Su. And beside that, I do helping for finding the suitable information that suit our project in various sources, in books and internet, etc. And during the report writing, I do take part in introductions and conclusion parts. And beside these two, I also helping in writing the reference and finding the suitable source to fit in all the tasks given to the members. And we do face some difficulties during building the robot legs, but all members are working together to find the solutions. That's all from me. Jin Sun Yong. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, my name is Nelbert Louis Nicolaus Junius. I am from Group 3. Today I would like to present about the project that was given to us by our Professor Abdul Aziz Jafar. In this project, we had to design a robot with leg without a microcontroller. I have helped in the design of the robot by sketching how the robot should look like and also finding the exact measurements of each part of the robot. Initially there were two designs of the robot, one of which we couldn't use as we decided that using recyclable materials are more accessible to us currently. With the design complete, I gave it to Shireen so we can do the animation in OpenSCAD, so we can simulate how the robot should move and how it should look like in a 3D space. And afterwards, I come up with a procedure how to create a robot. Then I gave the procedure, the steps, and the design of the robot to Dennis. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Dennis Su Chansen. My matric number is HA19020. Here is the contribution that I have throughout the project. First one is calculation, second one is method prototype, and the last one is demonstration. Before we made the prototype, we have a Google Meet team with all of the members, and our member Jin Chun Yong have give a very important opinion on how to do the robot. That's why we can success the robot building. Actually, I faced a lot of difficulties on making up the prototype because I failed a lot of times, and until I wanted to give up. But my team member encouraged me and motivated me until I success to make up the robot. From here you can see this is the calculation that I have made. 2 pages of it. From here I learned a lot of knowledge about the dynamic, and for examples is position vector and velocity vector. I know how to calculate it. That's all for me. Thank you.